Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up buying and selling with Charles Schwab Thinkorswim, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your computer and launch the Thinkorswim platform. If you don't have it installed, visit the Charles Schwab website to download and install it. Log in with your Charles Schwab account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard of the platform. Locate the Trade tab at the top of the screen. Click on it to reveal various trading options. To begin buying a stock, enter the stock's ticker symbol in the search bar. Press Enter to pull up the stock's details. Review the stock information, including its current price and performance metrics. Determine the number of shares you want to buy. Click on the Buy button in the Trade section. In the Order Entry window, confirm the ticker symbol and number of shares. Select your order type, such as market or limit. If you choose limit, specify the price at which you want to buy. Set any additional order conditions based on your preference. Review your order for accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click Send to execute the buy order. To sell a stock, navigate back to the Trade tab. Enter the ticker symbol of the stock you wish to sell. Once the stock's details load, click on the Sell button. In the Order Entry window, confirm the ticker symbol and number of shares to sell. Choose your order type, either market or limit. If you select limit, enter the price at which you want to sell. Review all order details for accuracy before proceeding. Once confirmed, click Send to complete the sell order. To check your open orders, navigate to the Monitor tab. Review the status of your orders under the Activity section. Keep track of your transactions and ensure everything is processing as expected. You are now set up to begin buying and selling with Charles Schwab Thinkorswim. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.